times 1? Is it A, 1, B, 0, C, 10, or D, 100? Correct answer is B. Anything times 0 is like a black hole. Everything disappears. 2. What is 1 times 1? Is it A, 2, B, 0, C, 1, or D, 11? Correct answer is C1. 1 times 1 is like looking in a mirror. You see the same number. 3. What is 2 times 1? Is it A, 2, B, 1, C, 3, or D, 0? Correct answer is 2. 2 times 1 is like saying, give me that 2 back. 4. What is 2 times 2? Is it A, 4, B, 2, C, 5, or D, 8? Correct answer is 4. It's like two friends giving each other a high five. Boom! You get 4. 5. What is 3 times 1? Is it A, 1, B, 4, C, 3, or D, 0? Correct answer is 3. Multiplying by 1 is like copying your homework. It's the same. 6. What is 3 times 2? Is it A, 6, B, 5, C, 9, or D, 8? Correct answer is 6. 3 twos at a party. They make 6 dance moves. 7. What is 4 times 1? Is it A, 4, B, 5, C, 1, or D, 2? Correct answer is 4. It's just 4 being its wondrous self. 8. What is 4 times 2? Is it A, 8, B, 6, C, 10, or D, 4? Correct answer is 8. 4 twos ran a race and crossed the finish line at 8. 9. What is 5 times 1? Is it A, 6, B, 4, C, 5, or D, 10? Correct answer is 5. It's like giving a high five, only one hand needed. 10. What is 5 times 2? Is it A, 12, B, 10, C, 7, or D, 6? Correct answer is 10. 2 5s got together and made a perfect 10. 11. What is 2 times 3? Is it A, 5, B, 8, C, 6, or D, 4? Correct answer is 6. 2 3s stacked together equals Super 6. 12. What is 3 times 3? Is it A, 6, B, 9, C, 3, or D, 12? Correct answer is 9. It's like a triangle of 3s. 3 on each side makes 9. 13. What is 4 times 3? Is it A, 7, B, 10, C, 12, or D, 16? Correct answer is 12. 3 4s made a dozen donuts. 14. What is 5 times 3? Is it A. 15, B. 10, C. 8, or D. 16? Correct answer is 15. 5 times 3 is like 5 triple scoops of ice cream. Yum! 15. What is 6 times 1? Is it A. 6, B. 7, C. 5, or D. 12? Correct answer is 6. 1 just holds the number and says, go ahead. 16. What is 6 times 2? Is it A. 8, B. 10, C. 12, or D. 16? Correct answer is 12. 6 got a twin and it turned into a dozen. 17. What is 2 times 4? Is it A. 8, B. 6, C. 7, or D. 9? Correct answer is 8. 2 4s are like double pizza slices. Super 8. 18. What is 3 times 4? Is it A. 10, B. 12, C. 14, or D. 7? Correct answer is 12. 4 said, let's triple, and jumped to 12. 19. What is 4 times 4? Is it A. 8, B. 12, C. 16, or D. 20? Correct answer is 16. 4 superheroes teamed up and became Sweet 16. 20. What is 5 times 4? Is it A. 15, B. 20, C. 9, or D. 25? Correct answer is 20. 5 said, let's go 4 times and zoom to 20. 21. What is 6 times 3? Is it A. 18, B. 12, C. 15, or D. 9? Correct answer is 18. 3 6s danced their way into 18. 22. What is 7 times 2? Is it A. 12, B. 10, C. 14, or D. 16? Correct answer is 14. 7 found its twin and said, let's be 14. 23. What is 8 times 1? Is it A. 1, B. 8, C. 9, or D. 10? Correct answer is 8. 1 just cheered while 8 did all the work. 24. What is 3 times 5? Is it A. 15, B. 20, C. 12, or D. 10? Correct answer is 15. 3 5s had a race and all ended at 15. 25. What is 2 times 6? Is it A. 12, B. 14, C. 8, or D. 10? Correct answer is 12. 2 6s went shopping and came back with 12 toys. 26. What is 3 times 6? Is it A. 18, B. 12, C. 9, or D. 15? Correct answer is 18. 6 went triple mode and jumped to 18. 7. What is 2 times 10, is it? A, 12, B, 10, C, 15, or D, 20? Correct answer is 20. 10 got a clone and turned into 20. 28. What is 3 times 10? Is it A, 13, B, 20, C, 30, or D, 10? Correct answer is 30. 10 did triple flips and landed at 30. 29. What is 3 times 7? Is it A, 21, B, 12, C, 16, or D, 10? Correct answer is 21. 3 cats had 7 fish each. Yum, yum, yum. They ate 21 fish and took a nap. 30. What is 5 times 5? Is it A, 20, B, 25, C, 18, or D, 10? Correct answer is 25. 5 kangaroos wore 5 shoes each. That's 25 hopping shoes all together. Yay! You finished the quiz! Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Or Mr. Minus will steal your cookies.